Dear patients, my name is Dr. Sawa. I'm the founder and director of Skin Science Clinic. In this short video, we will be describing our fantastic jawline treatment. This treatment is perfect for patients who may be suffering from bruxism, otherwise known as teeth grinding, and is also very effective for patients suffering from TMJ, otherwise known as temporomandibular joint dysfunction. All humans have a muscle in the corner of the jaw, okay, one on each side. And in some humans, this muscle gets too thick. This is often just due to genetics, okay? But as this gets thicker, it can lead to widening of the lower face and bruxism, okay? So if you look into the small mirror for me, can you see over here, if you bite, can you see the muscle bounding here and relax and bite, okay? So what we will do during the procedure is we will feel the muscle and inject at 5 different points. And the reason why we inject at 5 points is to ensure the drug diffuses across the muscle completely. Okay, and we do the same on the other side. I'll see you in 3 weeks and we will inject more, and that's all included in the original price. Right, Mengshi, so what we're doing now is we're making sure we're in the anatomical safe zone. So we're going to do some drawings. So what I'm doing is I'm going to feel exactly where the muscle is and where the safe area is. So if you could bite for me as hard as you can, perfect. Okay, and relax, and bite, and relax, and finally. So Mengshi, can you bite for me as hard as you can? Keep biting, keep biting. That's the first one, how's that?
I'm okay.
You're okay? It's not painful?
Nope.
Bite again. Our patients experience an improvement in their bruxism after just 3 weeks. It's at that stage where we invite them back to the clinic and we make sure things are heading in the right direction. Results generally last 6 months, but some of our patients have described an improvement for up to 1 year. As we can see here from Mengshi's before and after picture, we can see an improvement and desirable change in her facial proportions. Her lower face appears slimmer and more streamlined, and she herself is very happy as she no longer suffers from bruxism.
So my name is Mengshi, and this is my second time in the Skin Science Clinic. I was really happy with my first result with Botox Master, and so this is my second time here to do it again. I was worried about it's going to be painful, but it wasn't at all, and I was hardly feel the needle. So it took me 3 weeks to see the results come out, and I came back to do the top up again. After that, the results remain for about 6 months. Yeah. So basically, my lower jaw and the teeth stop hurting, and the most happiest things I've seen was my lower jaw start to having V shape, which looks nicer as well. I will recommend this treatment for anyone who wants to do it because it's really good for me. I think it will be good for everyone, and not only because it lasts so long, and it also because my boyfriend also stopped complain about me growing my teeth at night, and we have a better life now.
We have been performing this procedure for over 7 years and have never had a complication. I feel this is due to the immaculate care and precision we take with every single procedure. We very much look forward to welcoming you at the clinic.